Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add transitions on your videos in Filmora. Actually, adding transitions in Filmora is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So I have here a video clip and I'd like to go ahead and add another video clip of the same or a different one just to show you how it is done. So I'll take this video clip and then add it just next to it on the timeline, and now here we have two video clips on my track. Now if I move this playhead here and then play this video, you can see they transit from one to another, but that transition is not smooth or it is not unique. In fact, it might confuse the viewer. So to add a smooth transition from this video clip to this video clip, head over to this option here called transitions and then click on it. Now here Filmora will go ahead and load all the transitions available on Filmora, and you can select them according to what you need. You can see we have the fade and dissolve transitions, we have the zoom, slide, 3D, and the list is just endless. There are too many. Now go over these transitions and you can view them the way they transit like that. You can see how they transit if you hover over them and then select the one that you wish. For instance, I want this transition. I'll go ahead and click on download and it will be downloaded and made available for you. Now once it has been downloaded, it's time to go ahead and add between the two clips. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on it and then just drag it and make sure you add it in between. It touches all the two clips at the section where they interject or they meet. Now I'll leave it like that. And now let's go ahead and play this video and see how the transition runs. And look at that. That is a very smooth transition. You can go ahead and add as many as you want. For instance, if I split this, I can add another transition here and I'll do the same. I can now take a different one. For instance, I'll take this erase. So I'll download it again. And now after downloading, I'll again drag it and then place it in between the two. And here it has been added. Now if I go ahead and play again, now look at that smooth transition. Very beautiful. So that's how you can add transitions on your videos in Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.